Okay, I am back. Sorry, I could not use Píngguǒ because Píngguǒ cannot flip the camera from front to back. So I'm gonna have to use Orangey for the time being. And so I'm still learning how to use this. I'm having trouble controlling the gimbal. There we go. I don't know why it automatically turns on the auto tracking, but it does. I'm sorry for the audio. I don't have the mic. Let me flip the camera around. Let's see. Oh. I can't seem to get it going straight. I don't know why Apple doesn't let the camera switch. Well, I think they can do it on the iPhone 17 Pro Max, but my 15 Pro Max can't do it, which is kind of a bummer. Woo, look at that. Beautiful. Whoa, Shango. If you're curious how I can film so long, is because I parked in a different spot where it's not metered, so I had to walk quite a bit. Look at that. Wow. Earlier this light was purple. Like the black light. And it's, oh yeah, there it goes. And it stayed like that for quite some time. I wonder if it's trying to spot different people. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Gosh, the cool wind feels so good. Oh, there you go. I think this is the one that stays purple. This side. They blocked it off, so I can't really block it on the side. Oh, it's beautiful though. Yeah, that place used to be a ruby. Let me do one more circle. One more circle. Man, I wish I was into vlogging or videoing 20 years ago, because it looks totally different then and now. Totally different. Oops. Wow, it's so pretty. You look down there where the lights are, that's Corona del Mar, and if it's further down more, it'll be Newport Beach. Look at that. Coming in. Right. Oh, both of them will do now. side. Oh, that looks totally better. Ooh, crap. Walking to this area. He's trying to look for somebody. Oh, there's somebody there. I'm not sure. Yeah, you can see it. Right now it is 22:34, which is 10:34. This side's a little bit more quiet than the other side. The other side is quite lively. It's calming down. The other side. This way. Oh. Maybe back to the beach area. Oh, you can see the blue light all the way to the side. Both sides. Let's keep going. Looks like something's going on over there. Not sure. Whoa, jungle. Looks like there's a plane up there. Is that a plane? Wow. I see something down there. What is that? See it? Oh. Okay, it's not keeping still. Are those seagulls? Oh, my finger. It could be seagulls. Two little dots? Yeah, they are seagulls. I was like, what is that? What is that? It's like seagulls. I think there's something over here. There we go. Okay, that's too far. Well, I think that is it. I'm gonna head back. Call it a night. Chillin. So we are into the car now. Sorry, you see me facing towards the beach because there are a lot of people walking towards me and I didn't want them to feel uncomfortable, so I took the other route. See how there's people walking towards me? So we're just gonna walk to this side. Oh man, can't believe it's over. But then I gotta look for a sleeping spot. I gotta look for a sleeping spot. I head back to my car, which is Opus Junior. Camera around. Actually, I don't know how it really knows. I'm sorry to check it out on the camera. But yeah, there's another eating spot here. I haven't tried it before. Maybe I should one day. Once I start eating meat again. And for those who don't know, unfortunately, I am a vegetarian. Unfortunately, I'm pretty sure they have veggie food. Yeah. So we are back. The street you see in front, that one right there, that's Main Street. And there are a lot of places here. Let me flip it out further. Huh. Breeze got everything pretty sticky. I took a shower too. Now everything's kind of sticky. My hands are kind of sticky. I think it's from the ocean. Yeah. Head back to this way. There we go. Still trying to get used to the gimbal. Down here is the shopping plaza. Oh man, I wish I was live streaming, but I forgot the mic. I totally forgot the mic in the car. Oh, they have the name here too. Broad Street Oyster Co. Co.'s company. Once I get to the street where my car is parked out, I'm going to end the video. Hope it's been enjoyable. I want to do a live stream, but oh man, the mic. Forgot the mic. It is what it is. But I hope y'all enjoyed the ocean, because I did. It's always pretty pleasant to hear the ocean. Man, I really miss Vietnam, because I would really love to show the beauty of Vietnam. I mean, not the way that I don't know, the way the world shows it, the way how a local would, a person living there, the beauty with it, like at the springs and other spots, because there is so much more to Vietnam than what people see on social media. And yeah, ooh, my hair, man, took a shower and everything, I'm all sticky. It's okay, I had a good time. I wanted to do a video, but then I was thinking probably not a good idea if I push the videos out too far. So yeah, anyways, I am almost back to the spot. And I'll probably just end the video here so I could run back to my car And yeah, there's the pier. Hope everyone enjoyed it. Please give me a like, a comment, a share. And if you're not subscribed, to subscribe, because any interaction with the video will help out the channel. It'll let the YouTube god know that I'm a good content creator, and it'll help push out my content even more. And to all my returning viewers, thank you so much for your support. I'm very grateful, very thankful, because it's very for me, and I need all the encouragement I can get. And yeah, I hope you find this enjoyable. Until the next, the Father of Heaven willing, hallelujah, and Píngguǒ, and I hope y'all have a great day.